Good day to everyone on this Friday, the 6th of March, 2020. My name is Jewel, and this is the J7409 weather forecast for today and what's coming up right on through Sunday. Here's the NDFD map. We've got some snow that's going to be going on. I'm just going to let this loop around. Snow for the central Appalachians, the lower Great Lakes, and for the Cascades and the Sierra Nevada mountains, which I have been talking about. Other than that, it's going to get very, very windy in a lot of places. I told you this wind was coming just yesterday. So we're going to check out a few things now. As we come over to the NAM map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, this is the GFS NAM. Okay, as we look here, South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, portions of the Florida Panhandle. You guys are going to have windy conditions today. The wind advisories and warnings are out. Your wind gusts, some places could top 50, other places 30, 40, things of that nature. Be aware, it's going to be windy. It's going to be windy all up and down the coastline to a certain extent. We do have cooler temperatures up and down the coastline now, and as you can see, I have some rain at my house. And so far as the coast of North Carolina and the coast of Virginia, as it moves on up and out, we should have some rain to light drizzle till at least lunchtime, maybe a little longer, and before the day's over, maybe we'll see the sun. There's a good chance we won't, but there is that chance that we might. Now, as we turn this on, well, before we turn it on, and Tennessee's looking good right now. You see the timestamp right up here. This was at 8Z. We know of the just horrible tornado that struck in Tennessee. President Trump will be in Tennessee today to assess the damage. So I wanted to let everyone know that. Now, as we turn this on, I hope it works very well. Let me tell you what's going on and sum it all up real quick. We got an upper level low over the Great Lakes. Now, it's going to move eastward off the northeast coast overnight tonight. This energy is going to produce some light snow over parts of the Great Lakes, and that will expand into the central Appalachians and the lower Great Lakes and northern New England areas by this evening. It should end by tomorrow afternoon. Meanwhile, we have an upper level trough off the west coast, and a weak plume of some moisture along the coast will aid in producing light rain over parts of the Pacific Northwest and central California coast, and light snow over the Cascades into parts of the northern Intermountain Range region through tonight. Now, by tomorrow morning, as this trough that's associated with the front passes into the northern Intermountain region, the snow levels will lower over Oregon and northern California as this aerial coverage of snow increases. Now, the snow will expand eastward into parts of the northern Rockies by tomorrow night, with the snow and rain winding down some by Sunday morning. You can also have that chance of some mixed precipitation in places as it does start to move on across. So with that all said and done, I told you this was going to explode once it got off the coast. You can see how it has the system that's bringing the rain up and down the eastern seaboard. There's some mixed precipitation in Nebraska as it moves on through. You can see that also. So please stay safe. We have no severe weather outbreaks so far as tornadoes, downdraft winds, or hail today. Thank goodness and thank you, Jesus. We have none of that to contend with as it looks like for today. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Thank you for everything you do for me. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thanks so much for watching.